Do you want to pay this or this? Today, I am going to show you how you can self-host your n8n platform on a service called Hostinger. It is the most reliable, secure, and the easiest way to self-host your n8n platform. So you don't have to worry about the number of workflow executions anymore. If you look at the hosting plans at n8n.io, you will see that they charge you 20 euros a month for 2500 executions, as well as you can only activate 5 workflows at a time. Whereas for 50 euros a month, you get 10,000 operations but only 15 active workflows. That is the benefit of self hosting your n8n platform, that you don't have to worry about any number of executions. You just have to worry about the infrastructure to support that. What do I mean by that? So there are different options that you can choose from in terms of the CPU cores, RAM, disk space, as well as the bandwidth, depending upon the scale of your usage. For most of the cases, KVM2 is great to start with. So today I'm going to show you the entire process of how we can take this plan and set up our n8n from start to finish. If you're new here, hi, my name is Mohit Mrinal, a developer turned AI consultant and content creator. I consult and build custom AI agents and AI workflow systems for businesses, and I sometimes teach them here on YouTube. So if this is something of your interest, consider subscribing. Don't forget to check out my tutorial videos, especially our AI automation kits, which are specifically targeted for different ICPs and have free templates for 3 automation kits per ICP. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The very first thing that we need to do is select the plan. So they are currently offering a very nice discount on a 24-month plan, but of course you can choose to go with a 12-month plan or a monthly plan basis on your needs. But we will go with the 24-month plan because of the discount. When you hit continue, it will ask you to register. So you can choose to sign up with your Google account or use login details to sign up, and then complete the purchase process by adding your card and your billing details. So after you have completed the payment process and taken the subscription, you will see something like this on the dashboard where it says your KVM2 setup isn't finished yet. If you take in a different hosting, it will be different, of course. Just click on setup, start now, select your country so that it can have the same data center which is closest to your location for a faster processing. So I'm just gonna select India, continue, and over here you just have to find n8n. You see there are 3 modes. If you also want to import the workflows that they give out for free, you can choose this one, but I'm gonna go with this default one. Click on select, keep the malware scanner for free, and continue. You have to also give a root password that will be used to log in to this server every time you need to in the future. So make sure to keep a strong password and have it safely secured somewhere. Then click continue, finish setup. So it will take a little bit of time. What basically it is doing is installing the n8n platform on the hosting that you just purchased. Now we see that the setup is complete. You just have to hit on this manage VPS, and you can actually skip this. Just click on this manage app and your n8n will be up and running. Yeah. So because you are using it for the first time, so you have to create an account, but you don't have to do this in the future. So now you can just create your workflow and start playing around with it. You can even choose to import from here. So let me just try importing something. And here we are. And yeah, whenever you import a blueprint, you also need to make all the connections again. So just click here, create new credential, and you have to go through all the rest of the process again. So I hope this was easy to follow, and if you have any questions, you can put it in the comments. If you hit the like button, that would really motivate me to make more such videos in the future. And don't forget to subscribe, because more tutorials, walkthroughs, and automation kits are coming soon.